Sometimes you need the ability to rearrange the order of pages in a PDF. This video will show how to use Kami's Split and Merge tool to do just that. The first thing I've done is just open Kami by going to web.kamihq.com. I'm going to select the Split and Merge tool right up here in the top right. The next thing I need to do is select the red Drive button to select the file I want to rearrange from my drive. If you know the name of the file you're looking for, you can start typing it into the search bar for quick access. Once you see the file you want to rearrange, just click Next. All of the pages in this PDF have now been opened up individually. It's at this point that I can just start clicking and dragging to rearrange the order of the pages in this document. Once the pages are in the order you want, we're going to modify the name of the file before we download it so that it has a new name. For this assignment, we're going to add our name. So if your name is Mary Jones, you would add Mary Jones to the beginning of the file name. Next, I'm going to click Export. Choose Google Drive, and you'll see a Select Folder button pop up. If you don't select anything at this point, the file will just download directly to your drive. If you want to make sure that this file downloads to your Kami Uploads folder or to another particular folder where you will remember where it is, you can choose Select Folder and do that here. Once you've selected where you want the file to go, just click Continue, and the file will download automatically to the folder you selected. Don't forget, when you go to turn in your new file to Google Classroom, you'll need to attach that file from your drive.